Illustrations AI is one of the most powerful and newly released AI tools for digital creators, designers, and anyone looking to bring their ideas to life visually in seconds. But before you dive in, there are 7 crucial things you need to know to make the most of it. First off, Illustrations AI allows you to generate highly detailed customized illustrations just by inputting simple text prompts. Whether you're creating marketing materials, book covers, or social media posts, this software saves hours of work that would otherwise go into designing or hiring a professional illustrator. And the best part? You can try it completely for free using the first link below, so there is really no risk in giving it a go. But let's get into the specifics. One thing that sets Illustrations AI apart is its intuitive interface. You don't need to be a pro designer to get high quality results. The platform allows you to input everything from general themes to specific details, and it uses advanced AI algorithms to generate stunning images. It's ideal for people who need creative visuals quickly, but don't have the skills or resources to create them from scratch. Another crucial feature of Illustrations AI is its style flexibility. You are not locked into a single artistic approach. The software can produce a wide variety of illustration styles, from highly detailed realism to abstract, hand-drawn, or even cartoonish looks. This makes it incredibly versatile, and with the right prompts, it can match almost any project or brand aesthetic you're working on. You'll also want to know that Illustrations AI offers high customization. After generating an image, you can further refine and tweak it. Whether it's adjusting the colors, changing the composition, or enhancing specific elements, the platform gives you control to make the illustrations truly your own. This flexibility is critical for anyone who needs specific design elements to fit perfectly with their vision. One of the standout features of Illustrations AI is the speed at which it generates illustrations. It's lightning fast compared to traditional design methods. You won't have to wait days for a designer to send back revisions. With just a few clicks, you can have your perfect illustration ready for use in minutes, which is especially helpful for time-sensitive projects. Now, let's talk about the quality. Illustrations AI creates incredibly detailed, professional-grade illustrations. The AI is trained on massive datasets of art, meaning it can replicate intricate artistic techniques like shading, depth, and perspective. Whether you're using it for print materials or online content, you can be sure that the quality of your images will stand out. On the flip side, while the AI is impressive, it's not always perfect. The images might require some tweaking to meet your exact vision. That's why I recommend trying out the software, especially if you're a beginner, to get a feel for how it works and how you can fine-tune it to your needs. Finally, what sets Illustrations AI apart from others in the market is its ease of use and accessibility. You don't need advanced software knowledge to jump in. The platform is simple and user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and professionals looking for a quick creative solution. So if you're looking for a way to save time and create high-quality visuals, give Illustrations AI a try. You can start for free, and after testing thousands of AI tools, I can say with confidence that it's one of the best out there right now. You'll find the link to get started for free in the description below, along with my list of other recommended AI tools you can try for free. If you're interested in more content like this and want to stay updated on the latest AI tools, don't forget to check out the description for my recommendations and free trials of some of the top AI software out there.